Friends, again I had made the video for the class 4 students, and I want to say you that all the questions which I am solving over here except PDF, all are your books questions. So if you will copy these questions, if you will copy these all notes, it will be easy for you to write in the fair copies when you will receive your copy and books. All the notes and all the questions are from your books only, and till now we had come up to 13 page number. I had covered 13 pages of your book till now. So please keep the records of all the teaching in your copies so that it will be easier for you when you will get your books and copies to fill up and understand and revise it again. So let's start our questions. Practice questions. This is given in your book. Here, to write in words. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here we will be dealing about mostly 5-digit numbers, which is in your exercise. So 10,000 plus 11, it becomes 10,011. This much it has been given in the question. You have to write in word. So I written 10,011. You can see the spellings and try to do the spelling proper. Write the spelling proper. THOUSAND, 1000 is there. In same way, in question number 2, there is 10,000 plus 201. So it becomes 10,201. So same thing written, 10,201. In same way, 10,000 plus 4,007. So it becomes 14,007. So I written 14,007. So be proper in spelling. You can see the spelling of 14. FOURTEEN. Sometimes what happens, students write FORTEEN. That is wrong. Now here I came with notes. The notes is that while writing the numeral, we separate the period using comma. After each period, we use comma. That last time I had discussed you about the periods. Ones, thousands, lakh, crore, these are the period. So after ones we put one comma, after thousand we put one comma. Thousand means combiningly 10,000 and 1,000 both. And after lakh we put comma, after crore we put comma. So this is the thing. So we separate the period by using comma. Another most important note is that name of the period is always read as singular. You can see over here also I had not written 10,000s. Because when we write 10,000s, then it becomes wrong. As you can see, for example, I have written 5,000s. It is not correct. We will not write thousands. We will write 1,000. 5,000 is correct. Here you can see in the questions I have written 1,000, not thousands. When we write periods in plural, then it becomes wrong. Periods are always in singular. Now we will move towards exercise 1A, where it is given write the missing periods and places. Here in a place value chart, this is the place value chart. This 1,000 and once was written, thousands are written by myself. Okay. So what happens here, I had filled up period ones and thousands. In periods ones, there comes 3 place value. O was written, so I written tens and 100. You can see blanks is there. In same way, you can see over here, this thousands was not written. 10,000 and 10,000s also was not written. I had written over here. These all were blanks. In same way, you can see over here. Here also, in abacus representation, only tens was written and remaining were blank. So before tens there comes ones, after tens there comes 100, after 100 there comes 1,000, and after 1,000 10,000. These two were to fill it up. Now the second question is, write the numerals for the following number names using commas at proper places. Now here we will be using commas at proper places. The first question is 5,623. So I written ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Just we can count and then after we can write it 5, 6, 2, 3. While writing Many students makes mistakes. So what we will do, we will count ones, tens, hundred, thousand. In place of thousand there will come 5. Then after 600 is there, so ones, tens, hundred, in place of 100, 6. And then after in place of 20 is there, so tens there will come 2. 2 tens is 20. So in place of tens 2, and 3 is there, so in place of ones 3. In this way it will be written. So I written 5623, and after ones these three numbers are ones. Ones, tens, 100 is the period of 1. So after this we will keep comma. So I had kept over here comma after 5623. After that you can see 60,203. So again what we will do, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Because there is 60,000, 60 is tens place of 1000. So in tens place of 1000 we will be keeping 6, so it will become 60. Now 203, so ones, tens, 100, in place of 100 there will come 2. And then after tens is not there, 3 unit is there, so 3 we will add. Now where the gap has been left, we will keep 0. So it becomes 60,203, and after ones again here we will be keeping comma. Same thing I had done over here, 60,203. After 60 we had kept comma, because after ones there will be comma. 3 digit from our right side towards left side, that becomes comma. So after ones we have to keep comma. 2 more questions were there, so to adjust all the question of 2 numbers, I have just made a line over here and I written over here. You can see in C number question there was 48,712. Just see, I had said in 14. Some of you make mistakes. You are writing FORTEEN, that becomes wrong. 14 spelling is FOURTEEN, but in 40 it comes FORTY. U is not there. That you have to keep it in brain. So 48,712. Again in the same way I had written by putting the dots, and then after it has been written, and after once there is comma. 48,712. I hope you all are understanding. In 50,000 also in same way we had written, and after once we had kept comma. So that's all for the today. Just copy this fairly in your copy, one copy, since you had not got the new copies and new books. So when you will get that, again you will be doing fairly and keeping all the notes in your copy. Thank you very much.